Hey guys, so today we're going to be making mini Victoria sponge cakes, and trust me, you're going to love these. They're so amazing and they're not a big chunk of calories either. So to get started, all we're going to need is 250 grams of butter, and it's not supposed to be melted, but it's supposed to be at room temperature. For me, I had to put it in the microwave for a few seconds because it wasn't quite at room temperature yet, and it's just much easier to mix when it's in the microwave for a bit. And then just add in 220 grams of caster sugar. And then mix it all together like Miley. It should be nice and creamy when it's done. It should be at the consistency of double cream when it's whipped. Then add an egg into the bowl and whisk. When that's done, just add the rest of the eggs into the bowl and of course whisk. Then when that's done, sift in 250 grams of flour mixed with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. I used to think it was weird to mix baking powder and soda together, but really it isn't, because you kinda sorta need it in this recipe to be as fluffy as the texture that you want. Then of course when it's all sifted, just put the rest into the sink or the bin or wherever you want, because you don't want those last bits. Also, yes, I know that you can see my blue Crocs at this moment, but don't judge me, I like Crocs. But as always, you gotta mix it up again. Then literally just add a splash of milk, just a splash, just a splash, and then mix it all together. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, I'm using Madagascar, and mix, mix, mix. Then grease your cupcake tray with vegetable oil or butter and just spoon your mixture in. And no, you do not need baking paper because they're really tiny. Then put them into your oven for 7 minutes, and after those 7 minutes, just literally turn them the other way and let them cook for about 4 minutes. Then if it rises too much, literally just chop off the top bit. So now literally just spoon them out and it'll just work as magic. Then use about 180 milliliters of double cream. I just used the whole container of Elmley because I like that more than double cream, and it's a lot easier to mix. Also mix it in with powdered sugar. Then when it's done, of course, it looks like cream. Now this part is obviously up to you because it's the decoration bit, but you pretty much just have to spoon on the double cream onto the mini Victoria sponge cakes in whichever way you like. Now obviously just add on your jam of your choice onto the mini Victoria sponge cakes. And of course it will be beautiful when it's done. And I did sprinkle some powdered sugar on top as well because I think that's pretty tasty. Then when you're done, because I only have 4 because literally ate the rest of them, just put a bowl or something round on top of it. And that's how you make the best Victoria sponge cakes in the world. Thanks for watching guys, and see y'all later.